Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Laura Harris. It's no surprise this year's Outlook report contains some sobering forecasts as the world continues to deal with challenges brought by the COVID-19 pandemic. But officials at the 2023 Manufacturing in America conference say there's a bright future in terms of production levels, sales, system integrations, and more. Joel Ferrisol of Rittal has been part of the auto industry for 22 years. He says we'll see 5 trends in auto manufacturing this year.
And over the years, in talking to some of the plant managers, the project engineers, control engineers, I've noticed certain trends and repeated wish lists, if you will, from the people that I work with on a daily basis.
The 5 trends are sustainability and energy efficiency, real-time visibility of the manufacturing process, a decreased manufacturing footprint, speed of manufacturing throughput, and integration of data and controls.
So what they're trying to do is they're trying to jam more and more automation into a smaller footprint. They're trying to manufacture things faster. They're trying to contribute to the wellness of the environment, as well as they want to make sure that the manufacturing process is available at an instant when they need the information.
Ferrisol says the auto industry consumes a great deal of power, but there's a strong need to reduce the amount of energy being used. At Rittal, they do that by producing an energy-efficient cooler for automation panels. And when it comes to the rest of the industry,
I think the automotive industry is just aware of what the general consumer wants, right? So if the world is looking for the automotive industry to contribute to the wellness of the globe, of the earth, that they're not going to ignore that.
Rittal manufactures system enclosures, power distribution components, and cooling units for several industries. Ferrisol says the company continues to innovate to focus on sustainability. But which trend is most important?
All of them are, but what I'm seeing is this sustainability and energy efficiency. Now there are whole teams dedicated to making sure that plants are energy efficient and finding ways to reduce energy consumption.
Other trends focus on forcing suppliers to shrink their applications, as well as the need for manufacturers to decrease downtime. But when it comes to the future,
we see some of the trends moving forward, and hopefully our company continues to be at the forefront of assisting the automotive industry in products that align with these trends.
Thanks so much, Joel, for taking the time to speak with us. Well, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at autonews.com. For updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm Laura Harris. Have a great night, and I'll see you all next time.